Are you ready to see my 4th lemon-themed week in my Happy Planner for the month of May? Well then, stay tuned. Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. And in today's video, I am continuing my lemon-themed planner series, this time with the 4th week in May. And this week, I'm actually taking a trip for a memorial service over Memorial Day weekend. And so I'm going to share with you how I indicate that in my planner. So why don't you stay tuned and plan along with me. So like last week, I've gone ahead and put down some of my stickers for this 4th week in May. And I have used the lemon border washi along the bottom. And then I've mainly used plain stickers the rest of the places because I thought I wanted this border washi to stand out. Now I do have a trip coming up over Memorial Day weekend. I'm leaving Friday and then driving all the way through Sunday, so I've used some gold washi along there and put a car sticker at either end. Those came in the kit. And then I have a relative coming in I have to pick up at the airport this day, so I want to make sure to do that, get gas before the trip, get gas before the drive home, and then I've just put my meal stickers down the side. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this in, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's all completed. Okay, here's my spread all completed. This week I used asterisk stickers for my exercise, and I also put down to take my vitamins then too, rather than putting something in the sidebar. I am using this heart checklist for meals for the week, and I've marked out Friday and Saturday since I will not be home those days, and my to-do list. There will be other people at my house. However, my house is not empty, so just letting you know that. And then I also have put these little heart checklists here. Now I do, for my zone cleaning, now I'm only going to be able to clean Monday through Friday, and I do have a guest coming also. So before she arrives, I'm going to do things a little bit differently. I'm just doing some general dusting, vacuuming, mopping, making sure the toilet, shower, sink are clean, making sure I put fresh sheets on the bed, put out our guest toiletries, make sure I've got fresh towels out there. And then the day she's coming in, I'm just going to clean the mirrors and the windows. So that's a little bit out of my normal order for cleaning the guest suite, but it stays pretty clean during the zones cleaning. So these are just the items I want to take care of before my guest arrives. And then just my TV shows, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this 4th week of planning with me. So that's the 4th lemon-themed week in my Happy Planner using the same kit, and I still have lots and lots of stickers left over to use for the 5th and final week, which I will show you next week. And I want to thank all of you for watching. Again, if you are new to my channel, I do post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. So why don't you subscribe clicking on the icon in the corner of this video or the button in the description box down below. I want to invite you to join us here in this community. It's a lot of fun. I've gotten to know so many of you through your comments and our interactions together. So I really would encourage you to join in with everyone. Take care, everyone, and happy planning. Bye-bye.